Hello everybody, bonjour tout le monde. Today is Monday, I believe so. Happy Monday, powerful Monday, beautiful Monday, joyful Monday, restful Monday, amazing Monday. My name is Dawn. If you're new here, I'm super happy to have you here. If you're a returning watcher, subscriber, follower, supporter, you know, just that amazing person that you are, I'm super glad to have you here as well. So I don't want to make this video long, but because one, I am super busy and two, I am super busy but three, I also want to make content of the small business journey and keep you updated of what's going on behind the scenes, so that you don't, you know, just see the final stuff. So let's get into this video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some stuff that I got from Amazon. Like I mentioned in my last business video, I am prepping, I am working on my biggest collection that I've ever, well, not collection, biggest release that I've ever done. And I explained it, reason number one being that I'm expecting in September, so I want to make as much product available to you as possible. And also because September Q4, it's a very busy season for small business owners and small business and people in general. So I want to make sure that I have enough product, enough variety for people to order as gifts from themselves or for their loved ones. So and also I don't want to be over, you know, working myself, especially because I'll have a newborn plus 3 more kids, and I just want to have a balanced life. I want to find my balance. I still want to do this, but I want to do it well. I don't want to rush myself. I don't want to stress myself. I don't want to overwork myself, talking too much. But that's why I'm doing this. So I kind of want to take you through the process of getting to that big release. It's going to be amazing. In my next video, I will talk to you about what product I'm going to be releasing, so you know what's coming. But in today's video, we're doing a haul, and at the end of the video, I'll probably show you some items that are on sale on my website, because I want you to go check the website for the sales. I want you to take advantage of what's on sale right now, and you know, enjoy your goodies and grab something from Shekwetu because it's amazing. Anyways, without talking way too much, let's just get into this unboxing. I'll just show you the stuff that I got. I might or might not tell you what I'm going to use it for, or some of them might just be self-explanatory. So let's get into this. Let's get into this. That's what I was trying to say. Okay. The boys just came down, and of course they're playing soccer. You might hear them in the background. I hope my headphones doesn't pick up their chatter though. Yeah, my headphones does that. It picks up the other people instead of picking up when me talking. Yeah, let's do this. Show you. Oh, it's weird. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because in my Amazon, oh, I got this stuff from Amazon. It says that this color was supposed to come on the 28th of June. Is today the 28th? No, I don't think so. Nevertheless, super happy it's here. And I love the color. It's a deep green HTV, if you wonder. And you will soon see what I'm gonna do with this. Oh my goodness, English is hard today. And that's gonna be in my next video, because I've been prepping, trying to find a way to show you what I'm working on and stuff. So I won't go too much into details right now with this, but I will show you to the best of my ability what it's going to be used for. Here we go. Okay. And this is just like the first haul of so many more to come. Yep, so many more to come. hope not, but because I've been also trying to work with the stuff that I have in stock so I can get rid of materials and stuff that I got long ago. So I've been doing really good, but I still needed a couple of stuff. Okay. So I was running low on my tote bags, really low actually, and I wanted to do new designs. I'll just show you. This is my secret weapon. So this is my working tool, manual working tool. So I have the name of each collection on here with what goes into it, what's missing, if it's good to go, if the design is good to go, if everything is good to go, and the only thing I have left to do is price it. So this is my working tool. This is what I'm going to be relying on as much as possible. I usually work in my, I don't have it here again, I usually work with my notebooks. That's where I draw on all my ideas. I write everything that comes to my mind. But whenever I'm ready to work, especially in my studio, because I usually work, draw ideas upstairs. But when I'm in the studio and I'm ready to like get started on the product, I streamline it by doing this. So I've already organized this, and this is also going to be part of the video that's coming up talking about what I'm creating. So I've already organized this in the order that I'm going to be creating my product. I've written down if it's good to go. As you can see here, good to go, nothing is missing, and then depending on the collection, I put little notes of what's missing, and this was part of something that's missing here. So I'll go there and then update that I've got everything. And when I come down here, work through it, I'm going to start with my first collection, my first line. I'm going to call it line because it's one collection with different lines in it. I'm going to start with my first line, finish it off, and then move on to my second one, and I'm going to work that way. So that way I'm being productive, I'm being efficient, and I am also, using my time wisely and my energy, especially because I'm not 100% healthy and I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste my energy. So we'll talk about this more in the next video. So let's just keep going because I digressed. Anyway, so I got new tote bags, blacks, and I got 12 of them. I'm gonna show you one, and I cannot wait to put the new design on it. There's actually, I'll show you in the next video, but there's a design that I made on the sweater that I want to replicate on the tote bags, as well as my new fall designs that I designed. I'm also going to be putting on tote bags. So it's going to be, I have 12 tote bags and I'm doing 3 designs. So 6, 3, 3. There we go. I remember correctly. Ooh, love it. It's not, this is quite sturdy. That's the word I'm looking for. And it's a bit bigger than my previous tote bags, which is also great. It's going to work really good for the design, and I cannot wait to start working on it. This is so much fun. It's amazing. Love it. Anyway, garbage. And I also got the blades for the machines. I have blades. I don't know where I put them, and I'm so tired of just like trying to think and looking around, and I'm wasting time. I decided to buy more blades, and the boys are arguing. Non, pas de high kicks, s'il vous plaît. Ok, j'ai dit à Didi de ne pas faire. Didi fait plus de high kicks. So I bought new blades. I just couldn't be looking for it forever. Anyway, again, saving on time. When I find the other ones, I'll have more blades. So I'll be good. Je vais te dire après. These are 12 inch by 22, 12 inch by 22 feet. They're ginormous. Why is this not that ginormous? Okay, I mean, it's on the same brand. This brand is really good. This is HTV Run. I love it. I've been using it for some time now. I really love this HTV. It's so durable. It's very reliable, and it takes really well to blanks to apparels and stuff, and it's just been amazing. Like, okay, anyways, this is the first time I use this brand. It's Kyoji, that's what it says here. I got it from Amazon, of course, and they put instructions here, which I'm gonna follow because I want to offer you guys good product quality. I love this color. I'm super happy about it. I think it's gold. Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, it's called gold. It's amazing. I'm gonna try to come closer so you can see. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy I got it. It's gonna go so well with the design that I made for this. So I'm realizing that my camera is a bit low. I hope everything that I filmed is well. Anyways, so this is it. This is gold. This is one. We're gonna put it in the box, and I'll talk more about this again in the next video. And then this one here is same brand, Kyoji, and this one the color is pink. It just says pink, and it's a matte finish. I love matte finishes on stuff, on like lipstick. Everything matte finish is my best friend. Oh, this is gorgeous. I do have another light pink. But this, when I bought this is what I had in mind. But I got this and I didn't hate it. When I did my design with it. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's not ugly. But I had this in mind. So when I found this pink finally, oh, made me jump out of joy. It's stunning. It's, oh my gosh. It's, I don't know if it's bubble gum. It's not bubble gum. Like, I just want to show you the difference so you can see. This one is lighter, and I think it has like some purple hues. I don't know. Like, you know, depending on who's looking at it, might say it's purplish-y, whereas this is like a true pink. I think it's bubblegum pink, but it's pink. It's gorgeous pink. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna insert the the clip with the items that are currently on sale on my website, so you can check it out just right after this. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you see. I'm not showing everything, but I'm just showing. It's just a clip. But if you want to see everything that's on sale, go on my website. I will leave it in the description box below, shapeweartoo.com. If you just go to the sale section. No code is required. Everything has been discounted already. Just put in your card, check out, do it that way. And I hope you really find something you're looking for. A lot of the stuff that are in there are like sample. Like when I sample my sweaters, like when I'm making the designs, the sample, sometimes I keep it for myself, but there's only so much I can keep. And so those are the apparel that I have put on sale because there were samples as I was making them. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just a preference in terms of like colors and stuff. And then I have some wall decor pieces that are also on sale. So without further ado, let's go to the next clip. But I'm gonna say goodbye now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your love and support. Okay, so hi guys. Mika, I thought it's gone. Okay, so I want to show you some of the sweaters that I'm about to put on sale. They are good. There's nothing wrong with them. The only thing is, it's like some of them are the samples when I was deciding on the colors of the designs. And then so I made them and then I like them. They look really good. Because I'm not doing markets this season, I figured I'll put them on my website and I'll just put them on sale. I don't have a lot, and some of them are like the remaining of past collections. So let me go ahead and show them to you. Okay, as I mentioned, I don't have a lot. There's probably just, oh wait, I have more.
This is the ones that these are the ones that I haven't taken photos of them because I use them on market, so I don't have photos. So I'm gonna wear them, take photos, and put them on my website at a discounted price. So this is my original design that I absolutely love so much. Let me put these down here. So here it is, and there's a bee at the back. Okay, so it says be intentional every day, and it's in this like sage green. I love them. People at market love them, but I only have one left, so I'm just gonna put it on sale. Why not? We'll see. I'll put it on the website and I'll decide if I'm gonna put it on sale or not, because like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. This was just a sample that I was doing for market. So there's that.
Mama, baby.
And there's this one here, is color gold. And again, this one was a sample. I had it on market as well. It's because the font is a bit more muted on this gold shirt. So there you go. I have one only. And again, these also were samples that I made for market because I wanted to give my customer more choices. So and there you have it. It's really nice, like this gray with the blue on it. There you go. There's this one, and all my sweaters have a bee at the back because it's part of my signature. And there's this random one here. I really love it. I only have one left. I had 5, so I'll put it on sale. And the other one I have that's going on sale is this. Here's the back. I really love this design, so we'll see.
Baby Yaya, mamu, baby Yaya, mamu, baby, mamu, kutu maya, mamu sa, mamu, ikasa, we, mamu, the baby, mamu, wawa, daddy, mamu, daddy. Vamos ver, vamos ver, vamos, 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 e vamos, 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 e vamos.
Those are items going on sale on my website. Check it out. You want need a code? It's gonna be I think 30% off or 40. I'm gonna see, and no codes needed. So check it out.